What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Hooked. Today we are down at Hueneme Beach. It finally opened up, found a place to park. So we're on Waylon's first treasure hunt. We're gonna try to find something cool. You ready, dude?
Yeah.
Let's roll.
Oh!
Oh yeah, we got our first penny, dude.
Yes! Got it once.
Look at that. Can't even tell it's a penny. Just a crusty old. They say when they blow up like this, they're made of zinc. Don't know. Got a signal, peeps. Somewhere. There it is. Says it's about 2 inches, 4 inches. Might be a penny, might be a pull tab. Big right there, big dog. Yep. Check it out. Show the camera, bro. Show your subscribers. What is it?
It's like, I don't know, it's like a toy or something.
I don't know what it is either. Oh, it looks like the top of like the pop top of a tuna can or something. With some nice hairs on there for you. Yeah. Oh, there it is, another crusty penny.
Two pennies that are crusty.
2 pennies in one day. Look at that crusty thing. Good grief. Nice, dude. Our third crusty penny of the day, dude. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
You can actually see the actual building on the back of that one. Nice. All right, guys. Along with metal detecting, we try to find coins, treasure. I mean, treasure as in like coins, necklaces, jewelry, stuff like that. But there's other stuff that a lot of us do, and it's make sure that crap like this isn't laying around the beach. So part of this is fun, and part of it is really trying to pick up crap like nails, broken glass. So if you're on the beach or in the outdoors, don't thrash where you're at.
Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Are you helping Dad?
Yep. I hope you get something very nice.
All I've got so far is a few pennies and a giant beer bottle broken into pieces.
Okay. We got 4 pennies. So guess what? We got 4 pennies.
And I apologize for the foul finger language from him. Hey, 4, 1. You don't use this one for 1. You use this one. Deal? Good grief. There it is. Oh, look at that, dude. It's a dime, bro. A dime, baby. What does that make us at? 23 cents.
23 cents.
Didn't even have to find this with the metal detector, but Waylon figured it out. Let me turn this discrimination. And second hunt in a row with a possible bad day averted. Trash can somewhere over there. Good find, Waylon. Saved someone's day. Only kids growing up in the early 2000s or late 90s will understand this, but welcome to Good Lagoon. Look at that. Nice little flower pin thing. You're a girl, what is that? Something with dandruff on it that's possibly nasty?
Yeah.
Trash. There it is. Piece of aluminum. What a find. What a find. Oh, actually, you can tell by the indent, that's just the top of a soda can. Part that goes inside. Literally like 4 feet from this spot where we found the aluminum piece. Might be something, might be nothing. And oh wow, look at that. That one is for Ted O'Donnell. It's a old pull tab. He asked me, he said, you get any of those pull tabs? Oh no, never mind. This is too old. It's too new of a year to find these anymore, but you were wrong, Ted. All right, guys. Well, today we didn't really get skunked, but all we got was some pennies, a dime, Waylon flipping off the camera, pieces of wood like this with nails in it, and a bunch of trash. Bottle caps, plastic caps, all sorts of crap. Maybe next time we'll get something. But I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. Start walking back to the car. As I always do, I'll be scanning. If there's anything, I'll add it here at the end. Make sure, if you haven't already, join the family. Hit that subscribe button if you like the content. Smash the thumbs up. Comment down below if you want to see more stuff like this. And catch you on the fish side.